Hi everyone, my name is Sophia. Welcome to the Epson Certified Solutions Center here at Equipment Zone. We are having an event on October 29th and we're calling it Christmas in October. We would love for you to come. We want to show you how to make money this holiday season with dye sublimation and direct-to-garment printers. If you look over here, we have our Christmas tree, and everything you see on here from top to bottom was made using our dye sublimation system and direct-to-garment. We have our t-shirts, our ornaments, the socks, these little bags that you can put gifts in, a blanket, and much, much more. If you come down this way, we have our full showroom, which is available at any time. We have some photo printers, Epson solvent printers, we have a Graphtec cutter, a laminator, but for now I'd like to focus on what we're going to be showing you on October 29th. Over here is our dye sublimation area. Some of the things we're going to be making on October 29th are these nice socks. We have ornaments, which are made by Chromolux. Here you can actually make a lot of money in your business using Chromolux products, and there's a huge market on socks. We have our ugly t-shirt. Instead of ugly sweater, we have our ugly t-shirt we're going to be making. Everything you see here on this table was made using our dye sublimation printers. We come over here to the direct-to-garment side of the showroom. As you can see, we're always busy printing t-shirts. You can also print on a tote bag, which is how we made our tote bags under the Christmas tree. You can print on sneakers, hats, hoodies even. This is the shirt that we're going to be making for the event. It's yet again another ugly t-shirt. So now that you've seen our showroom, come and join us on October 29th. We're going to have a great time. You'll get to see these printers in action. We're going to show you how we created these fun products and how to make more money this holiday season. So click on the link below, go ahead and register, and I'll see you soon.